Hello guys, before starting to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel or press bell icon. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dubai Property, a higher quality of living. Well, today I am going to show you a very beautiful attraction of 2-bedroom apartment in Dubai. Dear people, if you want comfort, then you are at the right place because your comfort is our responsibility. Dear viewers, you are exactly where you ought to be. For any kind of inquiry or suggestions, this is our mail ID showing on the screen. And this is the unique code 25032101. Well guys, this is our beautifully designed bedroom and this bedroom is very spacious, you can see guys. And you can see this is the window style bedroom. And the outside view from this bedroom is very stunning and spectacular. And here is a beautiful wooden cupboard also available in this apartment. Well guys, you can see this is the very beautiful and very spacious or very classy look of our house and hall. You can see guys, this hall is very elegant and very classy. Well, I think this is the good opportunity to take this apartment. Well guys, we always say kitchen is the heart of any house. So guys, you can see this is the well designed and spacious kitchen and here is multiple drawers and kitchen cabinets to keep your stuffs basically. And these are the well designed and close fitted kitchen cabinets. And this is the well designed washroom and here is a big size mirror you can see guys. And all the necessary stuffs is there. Oh wow, you can see guys the outside view from this apartment and this is the beautifully designed balcony you can see guys. And this balcony is very spacious and very well designed. Totally, this apartment is very pretty and fabulous and I think this is the good chance to take this apartment. Well guys, everything you want all right here. So, live the real life at Dubai Properties apartment. So, let's check out the description box. 2 bedroom, 3 washroom. And these are the amenities you can't live without at a price you can afford. Chiller free, sea view, 2 bedroom, built-in wardrobes, pool, gym, washroom. And some other amenities are BBQ area, kids playroom, function room, parking, 24-hour security and many more things. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful and stunning apartment. If you are ready for moving, then contact us. This is our mail ID showing on the screen. So friends, hurry up, don't wait, go get your dream apartment. Dear viewers, your concern is our priority. What kind of apartment do you want? Please write us in comment. We will respond you shortly. Give a big thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep smiling. Take care.